Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download everything from your iCloud storage and download it to your iPhone storage. Now, if you don't want to use iCloud anymore, you wanted to download your photos, your videos, maybe even your messages and everything. Let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And we're going to tap on your name at the very top. And now you'll be able to see here midway down is iCloud. This allows you to back up or have a copy of everything in the iCloud in addition to your phone, but we can choose to only have it on your physical phone. To do that, we're going to tap on iCloud here midway down. And now you'll be able to see midway down is Save to iCloud. You can see Photos, Drive, etc. Next to Save to iCloud, let's hit the See All button. This will show you everything that is on your iCloud. First, let's go to iCloud Photos. If we wanted to download all of these onto your iPhone instead of the iCloud, all we need to do is turn off Sync This iPhone. And it will say on here, download photos and videos. However, keep in mind before you do this, let's hit cancel here. And you can see manage storage is 73 gigabytes. So you need enough space on your iPhone to be able to download all those photos and videos to your phone's storage and then delete them from iCloud. So just toggle that off. But if you want to go through and do it for more things, let's say in other ways, we wanted our contacts to just be on your iPhone. You can turn this off and just hit keep on my iPhone. It will remove it from your iCloud, but keep it on your iPhone or download it. You can do the same thing for Safari. Tap on keep on my iPhone to be able to download it on there. Other things are helpful as well. For instance, your iMessages, you can always choose to turn this off and you can hit disable and download messages. And all of those messages will be downloaded to your iPhone and essentially iCloud will not have any of them. That'll be disabled. So go through this entire list, all of these apps, and just turn off everything. And this will disable your iCloud and bring everything back to the physical storage on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.